Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my So I gonna watch me and I decide I gonna wear this. I gonna put this rock on. And I must wash my hair also. So what I'm gonna do is soap. I gonna wash with cold water. Now guys, so I'm back and I did decide I gonna wear my chains. Come wait, let me. My chains, I'm gonna put on my chains, guys. If you guys can see, it's two. So this one is small and this one is long and it's a bit dark. It's dark. It's thick. Then I gonna wear this. And then I did bring my toothpaste, my toothbrush, my toothbrush and my hairbrush, but not mine. But this is a soft one. Then I did bring both brush because my dusting is it's a bit hard, it's hot, and this thing is soft because this thing is not mine. And I gonna drink this. I gonna drink vinegar. But okay, so I did throw some salt in. Now not vinegar, but skip that word, guys. I did throw some salt in it, so I'm gonna taste it. I get, but there's something in my thing. But okay. Oh, guys, that's all today. For today, because the video gonna end, guys, and then I don't have nothing to do to show you guys what I'm gonna wear. But I can make another video. Ooh, that I know. Guys, I must throw some warm water in the pot because I cannot wash it like that in such cold water. Like no. No, guys, you cannot do it. But now my laptop is start to burn. Guys, sorry guys, now my laptop is like my laptop is burning here. But okay, let's bye guys. I gonna have a small bracelet here on my arm, guys.